Hi, I'm Britt. Today I'm going to show you the steps for how to get a natural looking rosy glow. Let's get started. First, squeeze a CC cream on your fingers and then add it to your face. Like so. To blend, use the liquid foundation brush. And for a skin-like finish, wet your blending sponge, squeeze it, and then dab it over your face. Now set your blending sponge aside because you're going to need it later. Using the angled side of the cheek brush, apply Rogue Rose to the apples of your cheeks. Blend it in. Make sure it's blended really well. Since I'm ivory skin tone, I used Rogue Rose. But if you're beige skin tone, you would use Shy Blush. If you're bronze skin tone, you would use Juicy Peach. And if you're deep bronze skin tone, you would use Hot Coral. Now remember the sponge we set aside at the beginning? Now's the time to get it. Take it and dab it lightly over your blush. Once you are done, take 2 drops of oil. Rub your palms together like this, and then press your palms to the apples of your cheeks. This is to soften the blush and bring out the glow. Okay, let's finish off this gorgeous look. My face is just absolutely glowing. For more information about this look, contact your Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. Thanks for watching. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.